Today we talk about how can you display fantasy football on your Champions League app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse. So you just go here above your photo profile, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You click on notifications. You come to next step here, then you come to fantasy football. Click in this sign or this color. I could see color, it's gone. That's mean fantasy football disable with us now. So that's all you have to do to disable it on your app. That's all. I wish now you are great. So thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe. That's all. Thank you for your watching.